Oh my God. You are not coming again. Oh, man. Why will you have to disappoint me like this now? Who will I not stay with my house? Eh?
Madam,
Eh?
I overheard your conversation.
And so?
Actually, I'm going to hook up.
It's a guinea.
Of course.
I
can keep you company.
You look like a married man. You shouldn't be saying all this.
I'm married, even Silicon in Nigeria now. So I do hook up with this Uber business. Can we join so that I can take care of my family?
Hey! This is my first time to hear this. So you have kids too?
Yeah, I have kids. My maintain in Jazuha will hook up.
Hey!
So please, you can hook me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, I'm good at this hook up business. Go.
That's very nice of you, Sha. That would be nice. Okay. You can end my trip. How much do you charge for a night, if I may ask?
2, 3.
Okay, I've sent it.
I've seen the alert.
Good.
If I'm attacking now, but I'll